everybody. Today I wanted to talk to you about something a little bit different. It still involves automation, and it's pretty cool automation to me. So I found this. I recently started looking into investing into stocks, and I found this cool Google Sheets template that um, automates tracking the um, any stock that you have a symbol for. So, uh, as you can see here, I saved this in my Google Drive, and I will provide a link to the public one in the description of this video. But as you can see here, here are some stocks, the default stocks that it comes with. Not sure why it's not moving. Here we go. So this is Amazon, for example. This is the ticker symbol, Facebook. This is the number of shares you have. So, and this is the buy price. This is the current stock price, and this is the percentage of it if it's gone up or gone down. Obviously now it's green, so it's up, and this is the total buy value. So if you were to multiply the number of shares times the buy price, this is what you would get, the buy value. And this is the, let's make sure that's correct. Yep. And then this is the current value, which is the number of shares times the current stock price, and not the buy price. Yeah. Let's check it out again. Yep, exactly. And again, it tells you if it's gone up or down in dollars instead of a percentage. And this is a pie chart, or not a pie chart. Sorry, a line chart. This is and here's the percentage change. Now, what's cool about this tracking Google Sheet is that you basically, all you have to do is fill in the first three columns, and then everything else is done via automation for you. Not really automation, but some of the information is automatically pulled in via the Google Finance formula. This little bit here only works on Google Sheets. It does not work with any other spreadsheet program, so that's pretty awesome. So, to show an example of this, let's look up a stock symbol. Let's try something that's not here on Netflix. Stock. All right, here we go. Netflix ticker. Okay, so it says it's at 427.31. NFL X. All right, so let's copy this and take it to our fake portfolio. And there's a couple in here that I do have, but for the most part, this is a spreadsheet that I just have a bunch of tickers in here that I follow. So let's try it. Okay, let's put it in place of MDT. So I'm gonna paste it right in here. Netflix, and you see how these all the columns moved or changed? It's because those were automatically pulling in data from Google Finance. This is the number of shares. Let's say we want, let's say we can afford to buy 15 shares. 15 shares of Netflix stock. And I don't know, we're gonna keep this buy stock price at 80 because honestly, you can change it, but we didn't really buy the stock, so this is just an example. So we're gonna keep this as is at 15 shares, and the buy price is at when it was $80, which would have been a long, long time ago. So it would tell you that your stock is up 434%, 434.14%, and your buy value is now at 1,200 for a total of current value, your total shares of 6,409.65 cents. And this is how much you've gone up in dollars. This is the line graph. You can see here it started right there and it kind of dipped down. I don't know when that time period would have been when it dipped down this low, but now it's on the rise all the way up here and so on. And this is the percentage, today's change. So today it went up 0.33%. So I thought this was a really cool portfolio tracker, and it's can be done right on Google Sheets. I know most people have a much more sophisticated way to track their stocks, but if you don't, I thought this was really awesome for somebody to build because it's it's simple. It's the Google Finance data points, and that's where it pulls from. And it's really, really useful if you're just tracking a few stocks. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you thought, and if you're planning on using this spreadsheet for yourself. And let me know also in the comments what other types of automation you'd like to see. Alright guys, talk to you in the next video. Please like, subscribe, and comment on this video. Thanks. Have a great day.